Afternoon guys, hope you're all well. If you've got one of these on your roof and you're unsure what to do, whether it's a camper van, a motorhome, then do not fear and do not despair, because we take out a lot of these. Back in the day, when these were either manually operated or electrically operated, auto finding, they would connect to 28.2, which was AstroSat. That's what they were mostly programmed to, and using the LNB here would then download free to air, free to view TV channels. There were many pros and cons, mainly because most of you watching this that do go abroad in your motorhome, having one of these on your roof meant that you could go down through the south of France and watch English TV for free. The problem is the further down in Spain you got, the further away from the main area for AstroSat, and the frequencies changed, so you had to manually change the way that the dish behaved. But also places like Alicante, for instance, halfway down on the east coast, it was right on the outer fringe, the outer perimeter of how this worked. You would find that especially on the houses over in Spain, the size of these dishes would be ridiculous. So on the pubs and houses, you would find that some of these dishes would go up to 3 meters in diameter, just to try and get the signal and the decent signal over for things like free-to-air football and stuff before it all became paid for. Now, that generally means that over the last 5 years, especially 5 years, but longer than that, these are now out of date. A lot of the free-to-air channels have got fed up with being free. They've gone HD, so therefore they are not getting like the royalties. They're not getting paid for their free-to-air channel anymore. So there are lots of free channels that you can still pick up with this, but nowhere near as good quality as it used to be. And everyone wants high definition these days. So you're more likely to scrap this and have a TV with an HDMI socket with a Fire Stick or a streaming device that has unlocked capabilities. Just leave it at that, because otherwise it's, get me in trouble. But there are lots of things online for unlocked streaming sticks. And it means that this on the roof is a monstrosity. You waste fuel, it doesn't always work that well, and as soon as the motor causes a problem, you've then got no TV. So today this customer, he'd already come to see us as a couple and said, look, we don't want this anymore, what can you do? And I said, look, we can just simply take it out. So what we've done today is we've unbolted the footprint of the stainless steel plate, or aluminium plate, and it's stainless steel, and we've then made good as much as we can do. We have left 2 footprint arms on the roof, because otherwise the roof would be dented and or scraped of paint trying to get them off, because they've been Sikaflexed on. What we have done is we have replaced it with a Vision Plus digital TV antenna. Now we do loads of digital TV antennas, so we don't want to bore you to tears with it, but this one was specifically showing you that we can remove this. It's not going to leave a massive hole in your roof. We've even gone over the top of the hole that this came out of, or where the cabling came out of, where all these went in through, and we've then put the Vision Plus TV antenna. Plus also this customer is then going to have their central skylight removed and AC put on. It's 2026, we've had a ridiculously hot summer, hottest in however many years, and that's why they've gone for AC. Anyway, join me on the roof quickly and we'll show you what we've done. just for example purposes, we've lifted up the satellite dish, now removed, back up onto the roof, and I'm going to move that out the way, and you're going to see where this plate here was bolted down. So if we lift that out the way completely, you can see that the plate was bolted down onto these mounts and fitted by whoever fitted it. The whole point of this had to be so that the dish was able to rotate 360 degrees freely and angle to find the satellite in the sky wherever you were in England, France, Spain, or wherever in Europe. We've decided not to remove these. These have been Sikaflexed, they've been sealed down. We did remove the 2 screws and see how much flexibility we had, but we were concerned that we were going to damage the roof with dents or paint work if we tried to remove it. So I said to the customer, look, you're never going to see it. We've resealed the holes, it's not an issue, walk away, leave it alone, rather than trying to do a good job and then it backfiring. So that's left on the roof. We now have the Vision Plus TV antenna. It's not where we would have put it in first choice, but underneath here was a massive hole where we have had all the cables for the satellite dish going in. And here with the open sunlight or open hatch is where this is going to be removed in a couple of weeks, and a new Truma AC unit's going. So again, they wanted it all out the way, nice and neat, so that it wasn't going to cause an issue. So job done. So this is a 2022 auto sleeper with a ridged roof, so it's sliding door conversion. There's loads of vehicles out there with this satellite system on there, and if you're finding that you don't know what to do with it because it's not picking up its channels anymore, you've had issues with it, it's just not modern enough, then get in touch with us. But let's have a quick look inside in the cupboard and I'll show you how we've made good with that as well. So whenever we've had a system that we've removed, we have to work with the capabilities, limitations of what we're working with. Sounds a bit of a tongue twister, but in here is the wardrobe. Now, if the cameraman can come around, hopefully, and have a quick look. The black hobby boxes were already installed. This one covers all of the ugly plugs and sockets and cables for the TV and other associated lighting and power behind on the bedroom area. And then this also did the same for the front lounge area, and all we've done is we've reused the same holes and we've done a routing of the cabling along just to try and make it look as neat as possible. We've tried to again also use existing holes or damage within. There are little holes that we can't always pick up and fix, but that's because we're only working with something as small as this. You can still get access to the on-off switch and the boost or the gain, and we've then cut holes into the panel to hide all of our cables. And then because there's a bedroom TV, we've run a bit of trunking along for that to join up to the amplifier. This is the VP3 Vision Plus, so it also caters for radio if you wanted to plug something like that in, but it's amplified. And then if we head back to the TV in the lounge, we are still in our building, and basically we're in a tin can. We've just tuned it in, 167 channels inside here, so that's pretty good. Much better than what your satellite would have done, and of course then you've got a far more interactive view. You haven't got 5 BBC Ones, which is a problem with all of the satellite dishes, is you could filter them and favourite them, but there were multiple different channels for different areas of the UK and lots of other foreign channels that weren't in English, so that was a bit of a pain. Plus also, you also now have digital channels. So the good thing about that is you've got HD channels and other digital channels that you wouldn't have got that aren't broadcast on other satellite services. So this customer is about to get handed over. We're going to have TV working in the front, TV working in the back, and satellite dish removed and a new antenna on the roof. If you are interested in any of the products we've done in our video or we've talked about in our video, because a lot of our videos aren't just showing about what we've done today, they are educational, informative. We hope we can be of help to you if you're undecided on what to do. And a lot of our followers, subscribers say, look, thanks for the help. Thanks for the helpful video. I decided to go down this road. Didn't use you on this occasion, but will on the next one. No problem, that's not what we're here for. We're busy, busy, busy anyway, but we do our YouTube channel so that you can learn as well, because there's not too many motorhome specialists out there. So that's it, job done, 2022, auto sleeper, satellite dish gone, digital TV, Freeview antenna in. Thanks for watching, catch up on the next video.